Welcome to Lesson 1. In this lesson, we explore what Power BI is and why it's becoming an essential tool for public health professionals around the world. Let's start with the basics. What is Power BI? Power BI is a data analytics and visualization platform by Microsoft that helps users turn raw data into interactive dashboards and reports. It's widely used in many sectors, including public health, because it makes complex data easier to understand and act upon. Power BI is designed to help you turn raw data into meaningful insights. But what exactly does that mean? Let's break it down. First, data integration. Power BI connects to multiple data sources: Excel, SQL databases, APIs, and even cloud services, bringing all data together in one place. Next, data transformation. With Power BI, you can clean, shape, and prepare your data so it's ready for analysis. Then comes visualization. Power BI lets you create interactive charts, maps, and dashboards that make your data easy to understand and explore. Finally, sharing and collaboration. You can securely share dashboards with teams, your organization, or even external partners so everyone stays on the same page. Now let's take a moment to understand the bigger picture. What is business intelligence or BI? Business intelligence is the process of collecting, integrating, analyzing, and presenting data to support better decision making. It combines analytics, visualization, and reporting to turn raw data into actionable insights. In public health, this means using data to guide interventions, monitor health indicators, and improve outcomes. Power BI is not just one tool. It's a family of tools that work together to help you analyze data and share insights. Here's what each part does. Power BI Desktop. It is a free application you install on your Windows computer. This is where you build your reports and dashboards. You can connect to data, clean it, create visuals, and design interactive reports. Think of it as your workshop where you create dashboards before sharing them. Power BI Service. It is a cloud-based platform you can access through the web browser at app.powerbi.com. It is used to publish, share, and collaborate on the reports you created in Power BI Desktop. Teams, managers, and stakeholders can view dashboards online. Think of it as an online gallery where you display your dashboards for others to see. Power BI Mobile. It is an app for iOS and Android. It is used to view and interact with dashboards on the go. Perfect for field teams or managers who need quick updates. Think of it as carrying your dashboards in your pocket. Power BI Gateway. It is a secure and reliable bridge that connects your on-premises data sources like hospital servers or internal databases to the Power BI service in the cloud without moving the data itself. It is used when your data is stored locally. Power BI Gateway enables scheduled refreshes and live queries from the cloud, ensuring your dashboards and reports stay up to date without compromising data security or requiring manual uploads. You want to think of it as a secure tunnel that allows Power BI to access and update your local data remotely while keeping the data safely stored within your organization's infrastructure. Permit me explain this concept using a real-world example. Imagine you are an epidemiologist working in a hospital in Burundi, and you have built a Power BI dashboard to monitor routine vaccination coverage for children across several health centers. The vaccination data is stored in an Excel file on the local hospital server. You have published your Power BI dashboard to the Power BI service so that your regional team can view it online. The challenge is that your Excel file is not stored in the cloud. You want the dashboard to automatically update every time the hospital staff enters new data into the Excel file. Power BI Gateway comes to your rescue. You install Power BI Gateway to the hospital's server. It acts as a secure tunnel between the Excel file and the Power BI service. Now, Power BI can refresh the dashboard daily using the latest data without uploading the file to the cloud. We'll look at this in detail in Module 8, how to set this up practically. Power BI Report Server. It is a server-based solution for organizations that cannot use the cloud due to security or compliance rules. It is used to host and manage Power BI reports inside your own organization's servers. Think of it as your private Power BI service running inside your organization's walls. Power BI Embedded. It is a service that allows developers to embed Power BI dashboards in custom applications. If your organization builds its own applications, you can integrate Power BI visuals directly into them. Think of it as adding Power BI superpowers to your own software. Let us conclude this lesson by looking at why Power BI matters in public health. Public health relies on timely, accurate, and actionable data for decision making. Power BI helps make that possible. Here's how. First, real-time monitoring. Imagine an outbreak of cholera in a remote region. With Power BI, health teams can track new cases as they are reported, monitor vaccination coverage, and even check hospital bed availability, all in real time. Next, data consolidation. Public health data often comes from different places: health facilities, labs, and surveys. Power BI brings all of this together in one dashboard so you don't have to juggle multiple spreadsheets or systems. Then, better decision making. Let's say malaria cases are rising in one district. A Power BI dashboard can highlight this trend instantly, helping epidemiologists and policymakers allocate mosquito nets, medicines, and even staff where they are most needed. Fourth, accessibility. Dashboards can be shared securely with field teams, ministries of health, and even donors. Everyone sees the same data, improving transparency and coordination. Finally, predictive insights. When combined with AI or machine learning models, Power BI can forecast epidemic curves or predict resource needs, helping you prepare before the crisis escalates. As we wrap up Lesson 1, let's take a moment to reflect on what we have covered. At the heart of our discussion was Power BI, Microsoft's innovative platform designed to transform raw data into compelling stories through interactive dashboards and insightful reports. It seamlessly connects to a variety of data sources, empowers you to clean and shape data with Power Query, and lets you visualize it all with dynamic reports. We also delved into the concept of business intelligence or BI. This is the art and science of collecting, integrating, analyzing, and converting data into actionable insights that drive better decision making. Power BI accelerates this process, making it more accessible to everyone. Then we explore Power BI's core components: desktop for building reports, service for cloud sharing, mobile for on-the-go access, along with gateway, report server, and embedded options for secure tailored deployment. Lastly, we discuss the significance of Power BI in public health. A field where it truly shines, with its capability for real-time monitoring and data integration from multiple sources. Power BI supports informed decision-making and even provides predictive insights, helping teams respond swiftly and effectively in critical situations. And with that, you've got a solid foundation to build upon your Power BI journey.